Okay guys, so I am in carpentry and I'm going to do my nails. I know how far it looks extremely big, and this is why I don't like wearing headband wigs anymore, because too much fur. But yeah, why is it dark? Okay. Finally, I left the nail tech, and bro, these are the best nails I've ever gotten in my life. The best nails I ever got in my time. Big up the goodie, Posh by Shan. Yeah, alright, that's a shame. I'm hungry. I don't know what to eat right now. I'm very miserable. My forehead looks big as hell in this headband wig. I think I got just so used to closures and frontals and all that other stuff, and wearing my beanie that I forgot the size of my head. But it big still enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But anywho, this is the Valentine's Day look. You know, it's the Valentine's Day hookup. That was quick. So we just get food. My ear said the food has stand pipe taste good. So it's a double rainbow. I'm home now. I look a little like ghostly. I like the color here in the room, and I don't want to turn it off right now. I'm gonna take off this wig because I don't like the 5 head that it's giving me. I got a new wig. Watch them say 28 inches. It's not giving 28 right now, but maybe if I like wet it, it will give 28. But right now it is most definitely not giving 28, and I probably got scammed. But I'm gonna do that, clean up my room, and then I will talk back to you guys shortly.
You can't even send peace, 'cause all of these niggas be on you. I'm just saying I can be, yeah, the one that you call and you talk to, girl. I'll share my world with you. If you're gonna waste your time, then waste your time with me. I mean, honestly, open your eyes and see. If you're gonna waste your time, you need, then waste your time with me. You could have all.
So guys, it is the next day. I know I did not film much today. I just showed you guys when I was editing an intro and an outro for a client. Then to be honest, I didn't do anything else for the rest of the day because one, let's just say my regular period cycle is like 29 days, 28 days, and when we look on my app, it said 43 days. 43 days. Girl missed her period for 2 whole weeks. And really and truly, I was not really fretting, because it's like, I know God not take me out of the game like that. So what is it? I realized that I had some medication and it threw my period up. At first, when 1 week passed, I said, okay, probably my cycle had changed. But then when I said 2 weeks passed, me I said, no, this not right. Something ain't right. I decided to look up the side effects of the medication that I was on, and lo and behold, you know, you're not able to see fatigue and all them stuff, the headache. I see menstrual disorder. 2 weeks? You never have to do myself bad. So then I said to myself, so Jano, to make 2 weeks, and then afterwards I was like, wait a minute, how that feels so? And then I looked and I saw blood. For the first time in a very long time, I was a little happy to see blood. Immediately after, I was sad because it was so painful, and all day I have been miserable, cross, everything, angry. At one point, I swear, I was having heat flashes or hot flashes, whatever the hell you want to call it. I was miserable, like real miserable, bad. I just kind of sleep for the whole day. That's about it. I didn't do much. About 10-11 o'clock, I got this burst of motivation to film a video because I haven't posted a video all month. I really haven't posted much all year. I posted one video for the year. We in February, and I posted one video so far, and that is because I've just been doing a lot of things and I didn't want to pick up the camera. I am trying to get my business sorted out, the Seashell Abode, trying to get the packaging and stuff for that. I am focusing on my clients, my edits by Shell. Then, you know, I was just taking a break from YouTube and I wanted to actually plan content. I've never planned anything for YouTube before. Like, I've never planned anything. I have been winging YouTube since the day I've been on this platform. And like how you see me now, when I just say, oh, I got a burst of motivation to get up and do something, that is me for the past 4 years. So today I decided to take one of my old books. I've now made it my YouTube book, where I write down my goals, I write down my YouTube ideas, my schedule, etc. See if that will make a difference in how consistent I will be. Hopefully it does. So that's that. I just filmed this video about living on your own, how to get places to rent. It's hard, and I wish I could find somebody who would do a video like that in Jamaica, but I have yet to see one. So I guess I'll do it. And as I get more information, I will share it. What else? I decided that I wanted to try, you know, the little punk rock look with no lashes. I'm not sure if I'm digging it, but it is what it is. Now I'm just gonna take my makeup off and sleep. Got my bed already. I am feeling a little bit of cramps as well, so yeah, time for me to go sleep. I can't do this anymore. I will see you guys tomorrow. So guys, I probably can't really sit my properly because the sun. Hi. Sorry. As I was saying, can't really see me too well, but I'm getting a facial, but hey, left that for me. Alright, I have on the robe, and this is what we're looking at. Let me see if we can turn up the brightness. Right, nice little ambiance. I've never been to a spa before, so face looks like afterwards. Nice and glowy. I feel clean, like extra clean. I'll show you guys what it looks like in the sun because I'm sure this light not really do it much justice. I feel like I look very bummy. I need to hurry up and do my eyebrows and you know. So yes guys, that is pretty much it for that. And that's a wrap. I just got food from this place called Lorna's. Best box food ever. Me not subscribe. That's the best box food ever. We're gonna go to Chilitos now. So let me tell you guys the dilemma. I ordered Lorna's from 2:30. They stopped taking orders at 2:30. I'm gonna just stop at this light because it don't make no sense. And I ordered at 2:30. Didn't think that it would overspread, so didn't know that the order would have gone through. And about 2:40, 2:50 thereabout, decided to order Chilitos instead. Got through with that. They said I should pick up in 20 minutes. And then right as I was about to go to Chilitos, Lorna's daughter called me, are you coming to pick up the food? So me just pick up my Lorna, share some light, and now I'm gonna go to Chilitos and have tacos and nachos and drinks. So I'd say I didn't eat anything today, and my battery is dying. It ain't that great, but the skin is skinning. Love that for me. It is really glowing, and I'm just in love. God, I wish Mama come from again. I still don't know the roads sometimes. Oh, I don't know. Talk to you guys when I get to Chilitos. Yeah. guys, it's the 14th of February, which is Valentine's. It's Valentine's Day. Honestly, I was literally like, we're not doing anything. We're not going anywhere or anything. And it really phase me. So if you don't want, you know, it's fine. Tell me why. He said he got a surprise for us. Because mind you, we agreed that we're gonna go to an arcade or something. And then tell me why I come in the car and this is in the car. Tell me why it is. I'm not gonna say what it is, but it was very, very meaningful. Like when I was coming to the car, I heard this man playing, I could do this for hours and hours. And I'm like, what the hell? He never played this song. He never plays this song. And when I played, he's just like, oh my god. And then I hear him playing it, and it corresponded with the gift that he gave me. So it was like, I actually cried. So there's that. I gave him his gift already, but I'm a terrible gift giver because the other day he was sad and I cheered him up by showing him what I got him, which was supposed to be given to him today. So there's that. Now we're supposed to be going to the gaming place, the arcade, but we stopped somewhere first. But I don't know what he's getting. He said he's picking up something. He's like, don't you want the other part of your surprise? I don't like surprises because I don't know how to react, first of all, and second of all, it's like, how you gonna outdo me? Why are you trying to outdo me? Anyways, I'm gonna try for the tea is I didn't go hard for Valentine's Day because I'm trying to go hard for his birthday. His birthday is at the end of the month. It's in 2 weeks actually, so I'm trying to something for his birthday. I don't know how to feel. I feel like I'm overdressed for an arcade, but I brought my denim jacket just in case to like dress it down a bit so I'm not so dressed up. I think I look really cute. I also got my housemate a gift. She's feeling sad, so I got this for her. I'm gonna get some candy later on because she really likes candy, but I got this journal for her because she said she'd been wanting a journal, but I think this one is cute because I know she got anxiety, so it'll be nice for her to just sit down and popping these and popping them out and etc, etc. So housemate, if you see this, love you. And I think that's it. I have nothing else to report. I feel like the sun is going away and I cannot stop doing this because I'm not used to having bone straight silky ear, so I just keep touching it. If I ever over this him gone, I know he's not over there. I'm not gonna hype myself up. I'm not gonna get excited because he might not be over there. Nah, I'ma just relax. I'm gonna shave if I not eat. But I think so. I'll talk to you guys when he gets back. I'm gonna ugly cry. I got roses. I love Canon. Well, not for now. What's this? I got a little cartoon. What's up, people? What's up? So initially I was just gonna do my makeup and go where I go. If you see nothing in the background, yeah, my room will clean. I'm gonna do that right now. If you haven't watched my dyeing my hair, then obviously this is a surprise to you, but I'm blonde. I do want to go one color lighter. I want platinum, I don't want blonde. So probably in that video you already saw where it's at the platinum stage. Not sure yet, but I have that part to do. But I know I'm gonna upload that before uploading this because I know you're confused and so on. I'm going out with a girl. Yes, one girl, which is Shaquille. We're supposed to be going out at 3. Yesterday I told her that I wanted to wait until the end of the month because, as you can see, first of all, black roots. I dyed my hair last week and my hair has grown already, which is why you're seeing black. I told her that I wanted to wait until the end of the month, pop out with my one picture in the platinum hair, but she says the color that it's at right now is really nice and I should at least get one picture with this color before going platinum, because next thing I'm gonna go platinum and then I don't like it, and then yes. So I'm just doing my makeup. I told her if I don't like how the makeup looks with the hair, because I'm not feeling this hair right now, really and truly. So I told her if I don't like the makeup with the hair, I'm gonna put on a wig, which is why I'm getting ready so early. As I said, it is 1:35 right now and we're supposed to go out at 3 because you do want to catch the sun. I like sun pictures. I may look out the door right now, I may see rain clouds. You know what, whatever. I'm just doing my concealer right now. People have asked me for an updated makeup routine. I don't know if I'm ever going to do like a dedicated video to makeup, so I guess I'll just say what I have been using. So far I have used, let me find it, I'm using this eyebrow pencil in dark brown from AOA Studio. Then I went in with 2 concealers, as you can see. Oh, I'm gonna put one chopping on my eyebrow because I feel like with the end result it's gonna look nice with that. I don't know, just saying. So I used 2 concealers. I realized I need a lighter concealer shade now. The one that I normally use that is basically my complexion is Pure Beige in LA Girl Pro concealer, and I decided to get a lighter one, but I'm actually using a yellow corrector because I don't know any other lighter one for my skin, so I'm using that. The girl said I should use the darker concealer out here and then the lighter one in here, so we're just going to try that because I realized that my makeup is looking very, it looks like one tone, one shade, and I do want it to have some type of dimension, you know, light hair, dark hair, normal everywhere else. I'm actually going to put on my contour first before I finish blending in the concealer. So this is the contour palette I use. I've had it for years. Dab a little, tap some off, and then I just like so. You're going to live long. I'm alright. How is you? I don't know how I'm feeling it yet. The contour, I feel like the contour is contouring, but don't worry, I know I might look a little bit crazy, but after everything goes on, I think I'll be fine. My nose contour, where is the brush? Pray for me. Like, I just cannot do nose contour properly. I don't know where to put the brush. I'm not sure if I ever put it in the correct spot. I feel like I always put it too far away. I don't know. So I'm going to put, did it make a difference? I don't know if it made a difference. I don't care. I'm going to put this powder on. No, I use the Airspun loose powder. So this is what my makeup looked like, and it is night because I already came back. I didn't have time to film it because it was raining and I didn't really want to catch the sun, and then my camera battery died and I charged it and then I forgot the camera, so I didn't get to vlog anything. So there's that. This is the after outfit. I'll insert pictures so you guys can see it. What I'm gonna do now is just pack up all my stuff and clean my room. Tomorrow is the 22nd of February. Tomorrow I said I was going to launch my business. I'm very stressed about that. Honestly, we're not gonna even talk about that. We're not gonna talk about that. I'm just gonna clean my room and get into that headspace first, and then I don't know what else. I thought this vlog would have been a little bit more eventful, I'm not going to lie. It is what it is. It is what it is. I did my makeup twice, by the way, because I ruined my eyeshadow the first time. Enough on a try big girl's look and I spoiled it. Luckily I had enough time to redo it, so that is what I did. So I made my little TikToks already with my hair. Cannot wait until I go platinum, because this yellow is not it. I am not feeling this yellow thing that's going on my head, because when I edited the pictures, it was by accident I realized that my hair went white, and I'm like, I am going to look so amazing with platinum. Father go shit up himself, but I just can't wait to be platinum. So yeah, I'm gonna clean my room. I'm not even gonna show them, because I just feel like every time I show them a big old dirty room, you can never see it clean. So I'm gonna clean it, alright? And then yeah, today I'm actually going to do Kingston to drop off my first out of town order. I'm so happy. I launched 2 days ago, which was the 22nd of the 2nd 2022. I got 2 orders on the same night. Can you believe that? Like, I got sales the same night I launched. That's crazy. I love this for me. Today I'm going to be delivering one of them. I wanted to do it yesterday, but that never worked out. Not with a blush. I'm going to Knutsford right now to do that. So yeah, there's a lot of crazy drivers on the road today. So me driving with one hand, knowing I can't multitask, it's probably not the best thing to do. I'm just so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. I'm so grateful for the people that have shopped so far. I'm sad though about the packaging aspect of it, because I'm waiting to get the right packaging. I was also waiting for the right packaging idea. So I finally have the packaging idea. So I just need to wait on the materials so I can make my dream come true. You know what I mean? I have like some of it now, but it's not the full vision. So it's for the first 2 people that will get them packaged there, and just sit with me. That was not the final thing, but I tried to make do with what I had. I'm also, oh, it's a good thing I said that to myself. I want to stop at a place in New Kingston where I can get the stickers to put on my packaging, because I want to put my logo and stuff on the packaging. It's a good thing we remember. Good thing I remembered. When I get home, I will be talking about, you know, my struggles, because I tried my best to record when I was just thinking about the idea, the thought process, all that stuff. So I will just kind of explain that in detail. Yeah.
You can't even send peace, 'cause all of these niggas be on you.
So here's my little package that I'm going to deliver. Can't show too much, but yeah, I at least wanted my sticker to be here, but it's not gonna be there. So yeah, you know, say I get the package. I'm so sorry that it's so bland and so plain, but you know, I still gonna have to start off. So I just successfully sent off my first package by Knutsford. Why am I so excited? I don't know why I'm so excited, but I am excited. I love that for me. Oh, my bad. That was retarded. I think I look amazing with my hair. When I just did it, I didn't really like it, not gonna lie, but Please, Shelby, keep it professional. I'm the CEO.
A few moments later.
So yes, I was cheery and cheerful a while ago, but now I'm upset because I scratched the white car. I just want to sink in a hole and die. You see, if I never remember forgot a place there, wouldn't scratch the car. If I did just go nuts for it and call it a day, wouldn't scratch the car. And now I feel bad. And now I want to get it fixed, and now I want to pay for it. I'm sad.